Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into a practical guide for LG TV users. If you've ever wondered how to enable or change the screensaver on your LG TV, you're in the right place. Stick around, because we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing settings. First things first, let's get started by accessing the settings menu on your LG TV. Grab your remote control and follow along with me. Press the Settings button on your remote to open up the main menu. Step 2. Finding screensaver options. Once you're in the All Settings menu, scroll down until you find the General section. Select General and look for Screensaver options. Here's where you can enable or change your screensaver settings. Step 3. Enabling the screensaver. To enable the screensaver, simply toggle the switch to On. You can customize the delay time before the screensaver activates. Choose your preferred time and press OK to save. Step 4. Changing the screensaver. Now, let's explore changing the screensaver image. Go back to the Screensaver Settings menu. Select Change Image. You'll see a variety of pre-installed images. Pick one that suits your style. Press OK to set your new screensaver image. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled and changed the screensaver on your LG TV. Whether you prefer a scenic view or family photos, LG makes it easy to personalize your TV experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy viewing.